hot in here.
No, I think it's nice. It's like warm.
Yeah, I guess. I wonder what Allie thinks.
She's sleeping.
Oh, well, I'm kind of tired too.
Yeah, I guess. Do you want to just go to sleep?
Yeah, good night.
Night.
Oh my God, what did I do? I shouldn't have left the fireplace on while we were sleeping. Guys, where is everyone? Did they just leave me? I don't even know the exits to Allie's house. Should have thought about that. God, I hope this brings me outside. Ow, it burned me. Oh God, there's nowhere out. I'm trapped.
What was that? Well, whatever it was. I'm awake now, so. Why do I smell smoke? Oh my God, I must have knocked this over when I was sleeping. What do I do?
Something smells like it's burning. Oh shoot! The cookies! Oh, that's hot. I need to get my phone to call 911, but it's in the other room. Okay, heat and smoke rise, so I have to crawl on the ground. Where are the fire alarms when you need them?
Oh, I had the weirdest dream. There was a fire.
Whoa! I just had a weird dream and there was fire too.
Wait, guys, is the oven still on? Guys, I'll turn off the oven. You guys put out the fire.
Okay.
Okay, what should I use to put out
Here,
the fire?
use this cup of water. It shouldn't be near the electrical cords anyways.
Good idea.
Okay, everything's turned off. Let's go to bed.
I could not agree more.
Good idea. You guys will never believe what happened in my dream. Did you know that every year 2,600 lives are lost and another 12,975 people are left injured due to house fires? According to the National Fire Protection Association, about 374,000 houses in the United States catch fire every year. All it takes is an unattended stove, a simple spill, or a spark flying out from the fireplace to send your house up in flames. If a fire occurs in your home, get out, stay out, and call for help. Do not go back inside a burning building for anything or anyone. Put your own safety first.